Hello all, welcome to Distracker channel. Today we are discuss about that. One is people ask one question about that. So Google Search Console verification. So each Google Search Console we have different verifications there. HTML file, HTML tag, Google Analytics, and Google Tag Manager domain name provided. So these all will be here. So this I can showing for minimum 4 steps how we can activate from the Google Search Console option. So that is purpose. We have to use option name is called first of all HTML file. First, we can download this file. Click here. So, sir, I'm a digital marketer. I don't have a coding knowledge. So, the coding knowledge you should have the coding knowledge. Simple, this code will get sent for your developers. So, this code is they upload or not. How do we can check? When it's click for verify, it is verify your procedure. It will be done properly. So this will be not done by properly. So that is called, we can open for the control panel. This control panel only accessed by the developers, not for you. Those files are, any website file will be have control panel that is a name called file manager. In this file manager, you can go option name is called public underscore HTML. In this, we have go for step where our code will be uploaded. So this will be code upload. In this, we have the option name is called head file. In this head, we have the lot of options are there. But we are download the HTML file. Simply open public underscore HTML and upload file will be public underscore HTML. Where you can download this file, we can upload by the public underscore HTML. In a cPanel, the option name is called file manager. Any file uploading for public underscore HTML. So that file is uploaded here. After this file upload, simple you can click for option name is verified. There is a fraction of seconds. The file is verified. So first one will be done. This is called download procedure. Second one is called HTML tag. HTML tag, we have this copy the link will be in your particular link that is called close it. I'm going to public underscore HTML. Where exactly I can use the code. This code we can using for common header or common footer. But we are using this code will always common header file. Sir, who will be create the common header file? First question. The common header file will be created by the developers. Not for you, not for me. The common header will be created by the developers. Suppose they not create the common header, you have to inform the developers, please create the common header. That is a very important for the activation your code. After activation code, before click verify, this code we can copy, check from your website, the code we added or not. It will add it. After add this code, this is your Google Search Console ID. Now click for verify it. So it will also will be verified successfully. So right now we can done by the 2 steps. HTML file, Google Tag Manager. And third one, we can activate using for Google Analytics. So that is a mainly focus by the your Google Search Console inside is a link with the Google Analytics option. Where exactly you can link that all option will given by the settings. There is name call is association. It all are associated with your YouTube channel and Google Analytics option. In this, we can go to option name is setting, ownership, Google Analytics. Click for verify. Verify successful done. So in your same email ID, we have same will be Google Analytics are there. Same Google Analytics are there. So same we can activate from the Google Search Console option. So here in this. In this website, we have already Google Analytics are there. So that is automated verify by here. So remaining two options, Google Tag Manager and we can go to will be DNS account. So any DNS where you can purchase DNS, click here, GoDaddy and start conversion. Suppose any DNS provider, use this code also. We have two options. Any DNS providers, we can use this code. Copy TXT record below DNS here. See this one. I can use the where I'm purchased in a domain. You can click for start the verification. Just you can log in your GoDaddy account. So this. So code is not verified properly. So what we do? Simple. Need DNS provider. Copy the link. Same header file. Actually, this file they will create also. Copy the text record below DNS configuration and click it. You can check for verified or not. Verify will be unsuccessful. Why it is? Sign in your domain name provider, example GoDaddy or namecheap.com. Copy the test, TXT record and below DNS record. So where you can purchase this domain, this copy will be given by the DNS record. As a test record, we can copy this code, not for your website. So that is I'm showing here. So this code will be not working for your particular option. So where you can purchase your domain, add these details, but is not required. So that is I'm not given by this particular code on the records. Suppose I have to use the record in this DNS. Give me 1 second, I'll show you. Login for GoDaddy account. GoDaddy. Add my products. Where exactly your domain name. Yes. Go to DNS. These are all the DNS records. Here is the open for DNS record and add the DNS record will be here. So any DNS record we can add from the particular options. That is we can Google Search Console verification purpose. Is it clear? So these three steps are important. Remaining will be nothing to worry about that. Only one is done. We can verify the Google Search Console option. So HTML file is done, HTML tag is done, and Google Analytics done. So these are the steps we can follow to verify one website on the Google Search Console purpose. So any particular things, your Google Search Console Analytics will be compulsory important. What are the your website tracking will be show Google Analytics, that will be show option name is called Search Console Insight. What are the clicks will be links, and what is the daily reports, and what is the your trending keywords, that all will be shown to the particular customers in a particular pages. So this is the various steps we can follow to set up the Google Analytics option. So any query about the Google Search Console, please contact the Stacker channel. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.